Welcome in to another crochet tutorial, and today we have some simple but perfectly shaped leaves, which if you were to maybe put them together, they could be in a applique on their own, stick a flower on it, a more elaborate applique. You could use them as a trim edging, maybe, if you do so wish, or heck, put a chain between them and make some vines up. Your imagination is your limit. And we all know you have one because you're a crocheter. Okay, so let's begin. We are going to make our slip knot and then chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The third from the hook, we're going to do a slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3, in for a slip stitch. After the slip stitch, we're going to do a single crochet in the next. In the next, a half double. In the next, a double. In the next, 2 doubles into the same stitch. So there's one, and straight back in for another one. In the next, a half double. And then on the end, in the very last one, you want 3 single crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. And there we have half a leaf. But we need to make the other half. So let's turn it around. And after the turn, don't go into that same stitch that you've just done the 3. Go to the next one along, which is here, and do a half double. Oops, I've got my tail in my way. Go away, tail. So there's the half double. In the next, 2 doubles. So that's 1 double in there, and now we're going for a second one in the same stitch. Just caught my tail. Hang on. There we go. So let's put the second double crochet in there. In the next, a double crochet. In the next, a half double crochet. In the next, a single. And in the next, a slip stitch. And to finish this off, head to where your chain of 2 was at the beginning. You know, there were the 2 you missed, and go into them for a slip stitch, like so. And there you have your leaf. Now granted, it's a little bit bigger than the other ones that I showed you, but that's because I used a larger yarn weight and a larger hook. You make them as large or as small as you wish, but what will your imagination create them to be? Only you can decide. So let's put a stitch marker on and let's have a close-up. Oops. Ta-da! And there we have it, a nice simple leaf, a nice quick make, and possibly a nice embellishment onto a piece that you've already completed, and maybe think that you need a little bit of extra something. Maybe some leaves could be that. Anyway, hope you do give it a go, and hopefully I'll see you next time if you've hit the subscribe button. And if this has been of any use whatsoever, please give a thumbs up. It all helps, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.